Jai Gurudev teachers. Now I am going to explain you about how to register training programs in CBSE. Okay, so for that you have to go to the browser, any one of the browser, and type cbse.nic.in. Okay, you can see that, and below that you can see click for CBSE website. Click that, and then scroll down. Okay, you can see training capacity building program. Kindly click that. In the given figure, kindly choose Chennai. Then you have to select the program. Okay, for register training program, select program category, online session. Okay, you can see the list of programs, serial number, program title, program menu, program start and end date. Okay, registration start and end date, number of seats, and how much the fees for it. It's cost 100 rupees, and click to register. Here only you are going to register it. Okay, so first I'm going to choose enhance in life skill, self awareness. Okay, register. Here it will ask new registration or login for existing individual participants. So I'm going to click new registration. Click new registration. Okay, and these are the details you have to fill. Okay, personal details, everything you have to give, and then come to school details including school affiliation number, completed everything, and come to that is professional experience. Okay, in all the that is all the columns you have to fill, that is senior secondary level, below secondary level. Okay, don't omit this is mandatory to fill all the experience, that is senior secondary and below secondary level. Okay, and then you have to give your own user ID and password. You have to keep it, remember those user ID and password, and then submit details. Okay, so I have already created. Okay, so I'm going to log in with that. So I'm going to click on login as, so individual participant. So I have my own user ID and then password, security pin, login. Okay, so listen, so finally once you are trying to register, once the registration is over, it will show, after selecting the program detail, it will show what is the program, that is program name. Okay, Chennai, this should be Chennai only. You have to see while trying for a that is training program. Okay, this should be Chennai only. You should not select any other location. It is mandatory, you have to select Chennai. And then online session time, that is fee also given, and proceed for payment. Okay, so finally you can see program title, everything, and then click here to proceed for online payment. So like this only you have to register for every training. Okay, thank you children. If you have any thank you teachers. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.